Welcome to Benefits.gov, your one-stop source for government benefit information. Benefits.gov is the official benefits website of the U.S. government, with information on over 1,000 state and federal benefit programs. Today, you will learn how to find benefits you may be eligible for by following a user, Andrea, as she searches for programs using the Benefit Finder. The Benefit Finder is an online questionnaire that will recommend benefit programs you may be eligible for based on your answers to a series of questions. Let's see where Andrea's search leads her.
Hey, my name is Andrea. I'm 32 years old and married with 2 children. I live in Georgia, work part-time as an administrative assistant, and have a disability. I am interested in using Benefits.gov to explore healthcare and Medicaid benefits for my family. Finding government programs online can be intimidating, so I'm hoping that the Benefit Finder can help me out. To begin the Benefit Finder, I click on the Start button at the top of the Benefits.gov homepage. The first question asks for my date of birth, and I see it's marked as a required question, so I use the drop-down arrows to select the month, day, and year I was born. After I've answered the question, the next question automatically appears. For question 2, I select that I'm a U.S. citizen in the drop-down, and I select Georgia for question 3. For question 4, I type in the number of people who live in my house, including myself. My household includes me, my husband, and 2 children, so I answer 4 for total household occupants. Question 5 asks me about my annual income, which I enter in the Enter a Number field. For the following questions, I select that I'm employed part-time, that I'm currently married, and enter the number of times I've been married, and that I have a disability. Now that the first set of required questions are complete, the Benefit Finder prompts me to select the type of benefits I am looking for. Since I'm interested in finding healthcare assistance for my family, I select the Healthcare and Medical Assistance button and select Next. On this screen, the Benefit Finder shows me the number of benefits I may be eligible for, based on my answers so far. At this point, I can either continue to answer more questions to the best of my ability, or move directly to the Results section to see the list of benefits I may be eligible for. Within the Results section, I can expand the different benefit categories to learn more about the specific programs I may qualify for, and can navigate to those benefit pages to find more information and learn how to apply. To avoid losing my results, I have the option to email myself the results or print a copy. After taking the Benefit Finder, I go back to the home page and see there are a couple of other ways to find benefits I may be eligible for. For example, I can navigate to Browse by Category from the home page and select the Healthcare and Medical Assistance category to view a list of all programs. I can also filter by state and subcategory to narrow my search. By selecting Georgia and the Medicaid and Medicare subcategory, I find the Georgia Medicaid page, where I can read more about this program and check my eligibility by answering a short questionnaire at the bottom of the page.
After using Benefits.gov in the Benefit Finder, Andrea is now informed about what government benefits are available for her and her family. Please note that Benefits.gov does not accept applications, but does provide next steps for where to apply and who to contact with questions. For further assistance, you can also visit our Help Center. To receive regular updates from Benefits.gov, subscribe to our newsletter, follow our YouTube channel, or check us out on Facebook or Twitter.
Welcome to Benefits.gov, your one-stop source for government benefit information. Today, you will learn about Benefits.gov, our site features, and the site's main tool, the Benefit Finder. Benefits.gov is the official benefits website of the U.S. government. The site is operated, managed, and supported through a multi-agency partnership of federal agencies, with the primary managing agency, the U.S. Department of Labor. Since our inception in 2002, Benefits.gov has helped millions of citizens find easy online access to benefit information. For more information on the history and mission of the site, please visit the About Us section under the About tab. The Benefits.gov homepage features an organized navigation bar at the top of the page, separating the different areas of the site. Here, you can find our Browse Benefits page to browse over 1,200 benefits by category. then filter by state and subcategory to help identify what you may be looking for. In addition, the homepage navigation bar will help you locate our newsroom, Get Involved page, About Us page, and Help page. The Newsroom tab houses our award-winning quarterly Compass e-newsletter, featuring articles with timely and relevant benefit information. If you already know what kind of information or benefit you are looking for, you can go directly to our search feature and type in specific keywords. The homepage also provides a personal experience by recommending popular categories of benefits to browse and by displaying the top most popular benefits in your state. If you want to view popular benefits in a different state, simply select Change Location and choose the state you want to view. Our site is also available in Spanish. Just go to the top right corner on any page and click Español. Now that you have some general information about the site, let's talk about the site's main tool, the Benefit Finder. The purpose of this tool is to help you identify benefits you may be eligible for, based on your answers to a confidential pre-screening questionnaire. If you aren't sure where to begin when looking for government benefits, the Benefit Finder is a great place to start. Before you begin, we recommend having personal information on hand, like education level and annual income, to get the most accurate results. Once you have all the necessary information for yourself or someone you are helping, you can begin filling out the questionnaire. Be sure to allocate about 15 to 20 minutes to answer the questions fully for the best results. Questions such as age, marital status, family size, income, and service history will be asked to get an understanding of your current situation. Benefits.gov does not accept applications directly on the website, but we do provide details for each benefit, next steps on how you can apply, or who to contact for help. Let's walk you through a typical benefit detail page. If you navigate to a benefit page, you will see that these pages provide program descriptions, general program requirements, the application process, and contact information. The application process section provides information on where to apply, while the contact information section shows who to reach out to with questions. The quick information box at the top right corner of each benefit page provides a brief description of the benefit and points the citizen to the application and contact information for the benefit. This feature makes it easier to locate important information, including the name of the agency that manages a specific benefit, with a link to their website. We've also added a new benefit-specific tool that uses the same pre-screening technology as the Benefit Finder to help users quickly determine if they are eligible for a single benefit. A button at the top of the page will direct users down to this eligibility pre-screening tool. This tool is available on each of our benefits. We hope you continue to browse our site to find information you need, and we encourage you to fill out the Benefit Finder questionnaire to see what benefits you may be eligible to receive. To receive regular updates from Benefits.gov, follow our channel on YouTube or check us out on Twitter and Facebook. If you need further assistance, visit our help page to read through frequently asked questions and find out how to contact us.
Hello, and welcome to the Benefits.gov user series, where we'll quickly show you how to find government benefits that are right for you. Are you searching for government assistance that can help you meet the needs of your family? Benefits.gov can connect you with resources that provide help with childcare, buying groceries, and more. First, take our pre-screening questionnaire called the Benefit Finder to get a customized list of benefits you may be eligible to receive. From our list of programs, click the benefit you're interested in to view the details page, where you'll find information on how to apply for the program. You may be eligible for programs like the Supplemental Nutritional Assistance Program, formerly known as the Food Stamp Program, which offers nutrition assistance to low-income families. You may also qualify for enrollment in the Head Start and Early Head Start programs, which provide early childhood education, health, and nutritional services to low-income families with children 5 years of age and younger. Benefits.gov also offers information on many scholarships and loan programs to help those in need of financial assistance. You can find out if you may qualify for scholarships or education loans to help you pay for school. You can also find out how to apply for business or housing loans to help start a new business or to purchase a new home for you and your family. Benefits.gov has information on over 1,200 benefits from 17 federal agencies and has provided assistance to over 70 million citizens. On our site, you can search benefits in 20 different categories to see what programs may help you and your family. Remember, we're here to help you on your path to government assistance. Check out the Benefits.gov homepage where you can find popular benefits near your location, helpful news, and updates. Like, share, and subscribe to Benefits.gov for regular updates on assistance programs that benefit you and your family. Use the hashtag MyBenefitsGov to engage with us on Facebook and Twitter. Hello, and welcome to the Benefits.gov user series, where we'll quickly show you how to find government benefits that are right for you. Are you looking for disability assistance for yourself, your child, a spouse, or a parent? Benefits.gov has information on benefits that provide employment accommodations, income assistance, caregiver programs, and more. First, take our pre-screening questionnaire called the Benefit Finder to get a customized list of benefits you may be eligible to receive. From our list of programs, click the benefit you're interested in to view the details page, where you'll find information on how to apply for the program. You'll find that you may be eligible for programs like the Job Accommodation Network, which provides free assistance on issues regarding workplace accommodations. You could also be eligible for assistance through the Social Security Disability Insurance Benefit Program or the Supplemental Security Income Program. If you're a veteran, you may also be eligible for caregiver programs and services. Benefits.gov has over 1,200 benefits from 17 federal agencies, providing assistance to over 70 million citizens. Search benefits in more than 20 different categories to help you find relevant benefits for your situation. Check out the Disability Assistance category for a list of nearly 50 benefits that you could qualify for. Remember, we're here to help you on your path to government assistance. Check out the Benefits.gov homepage where you can find popular benefits near your location, helpful news, and updates. Like, share, and subscribe to Benefits.gov for regular updates on disability programs and other information. Use the hashtag MyBenefitsGov to engage with us on Facebook and Twitter. Hello, and welcome to the Benefits.gov user series, where we'll quickly show you how to find government benefits that are right for you. Are you unemployed and looking for assistance? Keep watching for information on how to use Benefits.gov to find what you need. Whether you're a hardworking parent, a veteran, or a disabled citizen, Benefits.gov can match you with information on job training, placement services, temporary assistance, and more. First, take our pre-screening questionnaire called the Benefit Finder to get a customized list of programs you may be eligible to apply for. For example, you may be eligible for benefits like unemployment insurance, the Transition Assistance Program for veterans, temporary assistance for needy families, or we can connect you to American Job Centers. Click the benefit you're interested in to view the details page, where you'll find links to program sites, key contacts, and next steps on how to apply for the program. Benefits.gov has tons of benefits in over 20 different categories to help you find the most relevant benefits for your situation. Remember, we're here to help you on your path to government assistance. Check out our site for more information on these and other great benefits. Like, share, and subscribe to our content and connect with us on social media. Use the hashtag MyBenefitsGov to engage with us on Facebook and Twitter.